This ensemble of unassuming tools, crafted from flexible and durable silicone, transcends the conventional cleaning experience by offering a complete set of instruments tailored for thorough sanitation. Picture the oft-neglected chore of toilet cleaning, the nooks and crannies that traditional brushes struggle to reach. The silicone toilet brush set becomes your reliable companion, providing a harmonious blend of functionality, hygiene, and modernity to your daily sanitation routine. Comprising a versatile array of tools, the set addresses the varied aspects of toilet cleaning with finesse. The flexible silicone bristles of the toilet brush adapt to the unique contours of your toilet bowl, ensuring a comprehensive clean without scratching or damaging porcelain. The inclusion of additional tools, such as a holder and perhaps a squeegee, enhances the overall functionality, offering a complete solution for maintaining a pristine bathroom environment. This isn't just a set of cleaning tools, it's a symphony of efficiency and convenience, turning each scrub into a note in the orchestrated melody of your bathroom cleanliness. The adaptability of the silicone toilet brush set shines through as it caters to various toilet shapes and sizes. The flexible bristles reach corners and under the rim, ensuring a thorough clean in areas that are often overlooked. Operation is a breeze with this set. No need for excessive force or multiple passes to achieve a sparkling result. The silicone material not only provides durability, but also resists bacteria buildup, contributing to a more hygienic cleaning process. Crafted from high-quality, water-resistant silicone, the silicone toilet brush set emphasizes not just cleaning efficiency, but also longevity. It withstands the demands of regular use and maintains its effectiveness over time, ensuring that your bathroom ensemble remains a trustworthy choice for the long run. This silicone brush set isn't just about scrubbing toilets. It represents a holistic approach to bathroom hygiene and a commitment to modern, easy-to-maintain sanitation practices. Crafted from resilient materials, the set embodies a dedication to ensuring your bathroom remains a clean and inviting space. The silicone toilet brush set is a whispersome revolution in the grand narrative of bathroom cleanliness. It transforms the routine task of toilet cleaning into a symphony of efficiency, hygiene, and convenience. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe.